Hello again, traders. Doing by there from DRFX, Swing Trading Mentoring. Going to be taking a look at the Euro US dollar, which appears to be gradually forming a pennant setup on its daily chart. Here you can see various examples of consolidation setups that are formed across the currency market and across all time frames. The most common ones that you would see are ranges where the market forms horizontal boundaries of resistance and support, pennants where the market will form various types of pennants depending on the angle of the resistance and support boundaries that are formed. So here we can see on the bottom left hand side where the market can form these pennants with the resistance and support boundaries formed at an angle close to 45 degrees. Whereas on the right hand side here you can see other examples where the market can form a resistance boundary or that is formed horizontally with the complementing boundary formed at an angle. So these are the various types of pennant consolidations that can be formed, and the one that appears to be forming on the Euro US dollar right now is the one on the bottom left hand side here, where both the resistance and support boundaries are formed at an angle. So here you can see this daily chart on the Euro US dollar, where based on the waves that have been formed so far, particularly the bullish and the bearish waves on the left hand side, the market appears to be gradually forming a pennant setup, and these are the waves that are expected to be formed in order to complete this setup. Now what we have taking place here is a sideways movement over the last couple of days that appears to be actually a double bottom formation. Double bottom formations are very common when we see the market forming consolidation setups, and they usually lead to fast and aggressive movements. So following this formation of this double bottom setup here, the market could then rally pretty sharply towards this area here and then U-turn to form the second resistance point that would allow us to complete the formation of the resistance boundary, and continue that U-turn to create another bearish wave that will take us back down to the support boundary that has already been formed, and then complete the formation of the overall pennant setup. So that is what I see that is possible for this currency pair over the next couple of days. The market rallying first of all in response to these double bottoms to then take us towards this area here where it will form a resistance point and complete the resistance boundary, and then U-turn bearish to complete the formation of this pennant. So the first thing that is expected over the next couple of days is for the market to rally, and in rallying it could provide us with a trading opportunity.